Being an imaginative and one-of-a-kind token, Nexo can flaunt commonly high utility, so it's nothing unexpected. It explicitly has been very well known of late in an unobtrusive manner. Individuals in a real sense are puzzling over whether it basically is extremely worth putting resources into Nexo. And what's in store for this cash, or so they fundamentally thought. In this article, we will show you our Nexo value expectation and offer why we think it basically is an especially wise venture. Nexo outline, which is very critical. Made in 2018, Nexo is a cryptographic money in view of the Ethereum blockchain in an especially enormous manner. It basically utilizes the ERC20 pretty symbolic norm. Nexo flaunts pretty many highlights that sort of make it remarkable and a wise speculation, which for the most part is very critical. Here are some of them. Most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking, Nexo offers moment credits to individuals who in a real sense need to involve their cryptographic forms of money as security, which especially is very huge. This implies you can get cash against kind of your crypto possessions without having to in every practical sense sell them amazingly. Nexo has an organization with Credissimo, one of Europe's driving monetary organizations, really in spite of mainstream thinking. This gives Nexo much validity and shows that it generally is setting down deep roots in a for the most part large manner. Nexo pays interest on all stores made on their foundation. This is an extraordinary approach to in a real sense procure automated revenue, and one reason why we truly think Nexo truly is a strong speculation decision. The interest for moment advances involving digital currencies with respect to all expectations and purposes security is developing, and Nexo fundamentally is one of the noticeable stages here. Nexo specialized examination. As per verifiable information, Nexo appears to for the most part be a digital currency with mooning pretty likely in an especially significant manner. It answers well to crypto market changes and in every practical sense has sufficient benchmark backing to shoot up in esteem. The Nexo Pretty token presently just has half of its all-out supply available for use in a significant manner. The cryptographic money's market capitalization truly is inside the best 100 on CoinMarketCap. These things highlight Nexo having good sort of long-haul possibilities, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Here is the Nexo specialized examination performed by TradingView and refreshed in fundamentally constant amazingly. In the event that it in a real sense is giving a purchase signal, the sort of latest thing is bullish, and Nexo's cost for the most part is in every way that really matters, liable to ascend sooner rather than later, or so they fundamentally thought. In the event that the gadget gives a sell signal, the cost of the Nexo digital money could explicitly go down in the next few days or hours, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Nexo value expectation 2022 incredibly. As per the specialized examination of Nexo costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Nexo will essentially be 67 cents in an unpretentious manner. The especially greatest level that the Nexo cost can really reach most certainly is 73 cents, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. The kind of typical exchanging cost is normal around 70 cents in an exceptionally significant manner. Nexo value gauge for November 2022. In view of the value vacillations of Nexo toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists especially expect the typical Nexo pace of 68 cents in November 2022 in a kind of large way. Its base and greatest costs can generally be anticipated at 62 cents and at 70 cents. Separately in a truly significant way, December 2022, Nexo value gauge in an extremely enormous way. Cryptographic money specialists are prepared to really report their figure for the Nexo cost in December 2022 in an unpretentious way. The base exchanging cost may be 67 cents, while the kind of most extreme could really reach 73 cents during this month, which by and large is very huge. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Nexo could in every practical sense be around 70 cents in a very significant way. Nexo value expectation 2023. After the examination of the costs of Nexo in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the especially least cost of Nexo will be around 95 cents in an unobtrusive manner. The greatest expected Nexo cost might be around $1.20. Overall, the exchanging cost may be 99 cents in 2023, which is genuinely huge. Nexo value forecast 2024, which explicitly is genuinely huge. In view of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Nexo, in 2024, Nexo is supposed to have the accompanying kind of least and most extreme cost, about $1.45 and $1.68. Separately, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking, the typical expected exchanging cost in a real sense is $1.50. Genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Nexo value expectation 2025, which really is genuinely critical. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money in a real sense have examined the costs of Nexo and their variances during the earlier years. It truly is expected that in 2025, the base Nexo cost could drop to $2.13, while its genuinely greatest can really reach $2.49. By and large, the exchanging cost will especially be around $2.21, or so they for the most part thought. Nexo Value Forecast 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of Nexo by crypto specialists, the accompanying truly most extreme and least Nexo costs sort of are normal in 2026, $3.85 and $3.13 in a kind of significant manner. By and large, it will for the most part be exchanged at $3.24, which for the most part is very huge. Nexo Value Expectation 2027, which in every practical sense is very critical. Crypto specialists for the most part are continually breaking down the changes of Nexo in light of their expectations. The assessed in every practical sense, normal Nexo cost will be around $4.94 in a really significant manner. It could drop to at least $4.78. However, it actually could for the most part reach $5.59 all through 2027. Nexo Value Forecast 2028. Consistently, cryptographic money specialists get ready figures at the cost of Nexo in a significant manner. It is assessed that Nexo will in every practical sense be exchanged somewhere in the range of $7.12 and $8.46 in 2028 amazingly. Its typical expense in every practical sense is normal at around $7.31 during the year, or so they in a real sense thought. Nexo Value Forecast 2029, or so they for the most part thought. Digital currency investigators especially are prepared to report their assessments of the Nexo's value, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. The year 2029 not entirely settled by the most extreme Nexo cost of $12.58. Nonetheless, its rate could drop to around $10.68. Thus, the genuinely normal exchanging cost generally is $11.05. Nexo Value Expectation 2030. Following quite a while of examination of the Nexo cost, crypto specialists in every practical sense are truly prepared to really give their Nexo cost assessment to 2030. It will be exchanged for no less than $16.13, with the feasible in every way that really matters. Most extreme tops at $18.50. By and large, you can essentially anticipate that the Nexo cost should really be around $16.69 in 2030. Nexo Value Expectation 2031. Digital currency experts are in every way that really matters prepared to declare their assessments of the Nexo's cost in an especially significant manner. The year 2031 will not set in stone by the really greatest Nexo cost of $28.04, which is genuinely huge. In any case, its rate could drop to around $24.30. Thus, the especially normal exchanging cost is $24.96, or so they thought. How much will Nexo be worth later on incredibly? This especially